Your father buys raw food items, vegetables and fruits from the market. But does your mother use the entire food to cook? No. She peels the vegetables and the fruits, scales the fish. So all these items, that is the vegetable peels, the scales of fish or the shells of egg, they are all wastes and they are dumped in the dustbins. Similarly, newspapers that have already been read, broken toys which you no longer play with, worn out clothes and shoes, and broken glass are also waste materials which are worthless, defective, and of no use. Now, what we do is we throw our household wastes in municipal vats or we sell it to paper pickers. So the wastes get transferred from our homes to these people. So what do the municipals do, or what do these people do? Well, firstly, segregation of waste is done on the basis of reusable waste, degradable waste, and non-degradable waste. Reusable waste such as paper can be recycled and reused. Degradable wastes can be treated to form manures and fertilizers. And finally, the non-degradable wastes can be dumped. Now, the municipal carries wastes from the entire city, from schools, offices, homes. So, what do they do with these wastes? Well, with the biodegradable wastes, they treat it to produce manures and fertilizers from it. So, what is the process of making manure? Let us see. Well, firstly, a trench is dug, which is almost of the size of 5 meter into 1.5 meter into 1.5 meter. Now, a first layer of waste is spread for about 30 centimeter thickness. Over this layer of waste, a watery layer of cow dung is added onto it. After that, a second layer of waste materials are spread over the layer of cow dung. Now, this setup is kept for 3 months. After 3 months, all the contents of the trench are taken out and placed as heaps on the ground, and they are finally covered by soil. Now, after 3 months of covering these 3 layers with soil, the end product that we get is manure or fertilizer. Now, electronic waste such as circuits and old keyboards can be sold off to scrap metal buyers who reuses this metal, and finally plastics are dumped in specially dug out pits that are away from human habitation. This is because plastics take about 500 years to photodegrade and get completely vanished from the surface of the earth. Now the 3 R's, reuse, reduce and recycle, should be taught to every person living around us. We can reuse glass containers as flower vases or gift containers and food containers. We can reduce air pollution by use of cycles and carpools instead of cars. And finally, we can recycle papers as scratch papers or gift wrapping papers.